let's just mark them, right? Get content delivery finish. So let's get down to this. Get content delivery cubic by ID. So this one here, get cubic equals sync. That's going to be cubic ID. Cubic ID. And we'll try catch. This is really the same. There's not any other get. So right, so cons cubic equals await cubic again. Do get cubic. Yeah, so on the cubic that we got, let's go into look for cubic ID. The cubic that we got, the only cubic that we have inside here, this is the ID of the cubic. So we're gonna use that one there. Even if you move around, you'll see it needs a cubic ID and it expects the cubic ID to be a string. So we're going to return it. Then cubic. So let's call our function. Let's see what it returns. Get cubic. We'll just copy and paste this one here. Save some repetitive in time. Right, so this comes here and you become cubic ID. Right, so let's see what comes back. So yeah, it comes back again an object, and in this object, mostly in this object, it is the status, it is the route that we read, and it is the information of the cubic. So it is the cubic ID, the cubic name, the cubic size, and the contents of the cubic. So that's what get the cubic gets you. But if you do not put the ID, then get cubic usually throws an error. You see, it means we've not provided a valid cubic. So yeah, that's what happens. There is another object. There is another method that's getting the cubic section. So let's just comment this one out, and let's go to get cubic section. Get cubic section. So section is like image, audio, documents, or videos. So call cubic section. Cubic section. Function equals sync. Sync. Package. Just going to be the same. Points. Section is on it. cubic again, load, get cubic section. So it expects two things. It expects the cubic ID in the section that we need. So cubic ID, we're going to use the same one. Cubic ID, we're going to use the same one. We're going to use, let's use cubic ID, we're going to retain the same one. And the section that we need is image. Section that we need is image. So we're going to do image. So remember, cubic sections are, there is image, there is video, there is files, which is documents, and there is video. If we look from the cubic that we retain there, this from inside the contents key, there is image, there is music, there is video, there's file. So those are the sections of the cubic. So we just want to look into the image section. Let's call a function cubic section. Let's see what it returns. Oh, we need to return a function there. Return section. So this is what the section looks like. Let's just clear up and give a better look. So this is the section. This is the cubic section. Inside the section content, we have singles and folders. So we know that in the singles, that's the single directory, and the folders, that's the folders directory. And since we know that we have got 3 folders, so here are the folders 1, 2, 3. But we can get much deeper. Let's just destructure it and get much deeper. Just destructure it. So first equals section dot section contents. So in section contents, we need singles and folders. Singles and folders. So let's return folders for this time. And let's see what happens. So let's clear it first. So yeah, this is exactly the folders that we have. So this is what cubic section is all about. Now let's get to the next one. The next one is if you specifically want to get the single section. So let's comment this one out so you won't run. Get cubic single section. Just copy and paste this one here. Change a bit of things. Get cubic single. And let's just here where we need to alter our function. Get cubic section. This one you get cubic section signals. So with the get cubic section signals, it expects a cubic ID and a cubic section name. So the values, the arguments are the same with get cubic section. Then let's just return section. Let's just return section. Let's comment this one out. So let's call it get cubic section. Let's copy it just to make sure we are good. Let's see if the console comes up. Not index. Yeah, so these are all the images that are in the single section. It brings everything that is in single section. Let's try video. Let's see what's in the video section. So these are the videos that are in the video section. Let's try file section. I can spell files. Clear. Yeah, so these are the single files that are in that section, the cubic files, the document side in the singles section. So these are all the files that are inside that section. So it's quite simple actually, using the node library to interact with the content delivery cubic. Let's look at the folders if you want to get the folder section. So I'm just going to comment this out. Just going to comment this out. Just going to comment this out.